Hey folks, I'm Dave. I'm a laser newbie. I'm not an expert, so I understand wanting to find good information fast so you can begin a project or just keep one going. So I've started a playlist called To The Point where I'll cover laser and Lightburn topics, and I hope it's helpful. So let's get right to the point. Today's To The Point topic is Lightburn and the radius tool. I know of 3 ways to use it, but if you know of more, please let me know. We'll select the rectangle on the top right. Over on the Shape Properties tab, you can add a positive radius to round off the corners or a negative radius to pull them in. But it affects all 4 corners. Now if you don't have that tab, go to Window and down to Shape Properties and be sure it's checked, and it could be anywhere on your page. So over in the modifier tools, we have another radius option, and the same with these tools. They could be anywhere on your page. Just select it and make it a positive or negative value, whichever one you want. Click your selector tool, select your rectangle, and then click it again. And now you can click the corners and it will add the radius that you've specified. But you can choose the corners you want to apply it to. It doesn't apply to all 4, which is a good thing. Click the selector tool. Now for this last one, in version 1.5, when you selected the rectangle, there would be a blue dot show up in the bottom right hand corner. Now in version 1.6, you have to push the control key to get that to pull up. Then you can get on it with your mouse, left click, drag left for positive, and drag right for negative. So 3 ways to use the radius tool, and it's a big help with doing projects. And that wraps up today's To The Point topic. Right to the point, folks, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel grow, and it'll help me to bring you more and better content in the future. I really appreciate your time and watching. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.